Assalamu alaikum, my dear all learners. Welcome back to my class. Actually, I am feeling myself great to be here. Today, I am going to discuss from English for today, Unit 6, Lesson 8. The title is The Destination. So, be mindful and attentive. Listen, students, one thing. What you learn today, it will help you to lead yourself the better tomorrow. So, be attentive and mindful to each and every lesson. Now I am reading the text. So students, now I am reading the text from Unit 6, Lesson 8. Our title is The Destination. Do you know the meanings of destination? Destination means a place to which somebody is going or something is being sent. Now look, Mita looked around and saw a garden of trees and flowers welcoming her. There was a small fountain at the middle of the garden, bringing in cool breeze. Mita loved the place. Mita brought a suitcase as well as a piece of carry-on luggage. She carried her luggage to the elevator and pressed a button that said 6. Her uncle's apartment was on the 7th floor. It was a nicely done 2-bedroom apartment. Mita and Zara were going to share the same room. It was nearly 8 p.m. when they all got settled. They finished dinner and started to plan for the next day. Mita read about the floating market in the internet and wanted to see one. Well, then you have to wake up very early tomorrow. The market shifts early in the morning and is over before noon. We are going to the Dhaka floating market tomorrow, said Mr. Islam. Wow, cried out Mita and Zara together. Thank you, uncle. Thank you, dad. So what is the main idea, main theme of the passage? The main theme of the passage is Mita loved the place very much. The garden full of trees and flowers and welcomed Mita. Mita and Zara shared the same room. Her uncle's apartment was at the 7th floor. After dinner, they planned for the next day. And the floating market starts in the morning and ends before noon. Now I am asking you from this passage some questions. So if you answer me clearly or properly, now I will understand that you understood the passage. Now ready. Now I am asking you some questions from this passage. Students, please listen. Who were going to share the same room? Just look, Mita and Zara were going to share the same room. Okay. It was nearly 8 p.m. when they all get settled. When did they get settled? At about 8 p.m. From where Mita came to know about the floating market? From internet. From internet. Okay. The word wake up means from this passage rise from sleep. Wake up means rise from sleep. Wake up means rise from sleep. Okay. The apartment consists of how many rooms here? The apartment consists of 2 rooms. Okay. Then when does the market break up? The market break up before noon. The market break up before noon. Now let's do more questions for practice. Now we are doing more questions for practice. Okay, question number 1. Why did Mita think that the garden was welcoming her? From the passage, what you know? The garden was welcoming her because she is a foreigner in that country. Okay. When did they all start to plan for the next day? They started to plan for the next day. You will see from the passage. What did they plan to see? What did they plan to see? When you will understand the passage, I think it will be help you. The passage will help you to write your answer properly. Why would Mita and Zara wake up early in the next morning? Why would Mita and Zara wake up early in the next morning? From the passage, you will find out these questions. Okay, you will read this passage again and again. I think it will help you to write these questions. So that's all for today. You practice at your home. You listen to your teachers, listen to your parents as well. See with you another day with another topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.